Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about how to display the box pattern and plus pattern. See how can we display the information in two-dimensional format in rows and columns. In the last pattern video I have explained clearly. Outer loop is representing number of rows. Here I am taking 9 rows, and inner loop is representing number of columns. So I am taking j value is a 9. Here, if you print star directly, system.out.print, if you print star directly, everywhere in 9 rows and 9 columns, total 81 stars will print. That what I have explained in the last video. But now, I don't want to print, right, totally 81 stars. I just want to print only in a box. Only in the first row I want to display. Here it is the first column I want to display. Last row I want to display. Last column I want to display. In remaining places, I don't want to display the stars. I just want to print only spaces. So, now we need to display the stars with conditions. With the conditions. Here, whenever we are printing that star with condition, if rows represented by I, columns represented by j. Now I want to display in the first row. So when I equals to 1, if I equals to 1, then we need to display that star. Remaining all places, suppose else, system.out.print, we must give space. Here you need to click on space bar. Okay, please don't leave it as a blank. Just space you must give. Remember, if I equals to 1 means what? Only if it is a first row it will display. No sir, I just want to display in the last row also. Either first row or last row. So, or I equals to 9. This is representing the last row. Next one is a first column. So, or j equals to 1. J equals to 1. Or j equals to 9. J equals to 9, that is. So, 4 conditions representing 2 rows and 2 columns. This is the simple way of representing. Sir, I just want to display only the plus pattern. Instead of this, plus pattern means what? Only 5th row and 5th column. It's very easy to represent. Instead of writing all these 4, we are just writing only if I equals to 5 or j equals to 5. Only when we satisfy these 2 conditions, then only we are printing. No sir, I just want to print completely all these 6 means what? Then write I equals to 1, I equals to 9, I equals to 5, j equals to 1, j equals to 5, j equals to 9. Is representing 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the simple way of displaying the patterns like box pattern, plus pattern and this one, combining both. Hope you understood. Please practice and subscribe the channel. Thank you.